Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your wire transfer receiving details on crypto.com so you can deposit money into your account the right way. If this helps you out, make sure to hit like so more people can find it. First, open the crypto.com app and go to your Fiat wallet. If you don't see it right away, tap Accounts at the bottom, then scroll until you see Fiat Wallet. Once you're inside, tap Deposit. Choose your local currency, for example USD, EUR, or GBP, depending on your region. After selecting your currency, you'll see bank transfer options. Tap Wire Transfer or Bank Transfer, depending on what your app shows. This will open the page with your bank receiving details. Here you'll see the name of the bank, the routing number or SWIFT code, your unique reference number, and the account details you must use when sending money from your bank. Make sure you copy everything exactly as it appears. The reference number is extremely important because it tells crypto.com that the deposit belongs to your account. If your bank needs beneficiary details, address information, or additional verification, all of that will be listed on the same screen as well. Once you have your wire details, go to your banking app, start a wire transfer, and paste everything carefully. After you send the wire, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days to show up in your Fiat wallet, depending on your bank. And that's it. That's how you find your crypto.com wire transfer receiving details quickly and safely. If this helped you out, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.